think about us and the rush that we felt, with the rack top down and the radio blasting. You were riding shotgun and nothing but a bikini and seat belts, looking better than the law should have been allowing. In the corners going 90, loving blindly, falling head over heels over you. Every feeling that we felt was a feeling that felt brand new, and you looked just like an angel with that cross on your necklace. You were young, I was wild, we were reckless. Drive on down to the river, burning up those hot summer nights, laughing at the cowboys getting crazy, picking fights. But it wasn't funny when that deputy caught you and me steaming up those windows, and how your daddy never found